No, you are not seeing double. I have two Midge dolls from the 1989 Mattel line Barbie and the Beat. The first one I bought from a secondhand consignment shop. I think I paid around $6 for her, and she has her original earrings. Her hair is in good shape overall, but a little dry and frizzy. She came in this purple dress, and her body is really clean and in excellent condition. The second doll I thrifted for around $3, and she comes complete with a thrift store ponytail. It may not show on camera, but her legs are actually kind of dirty. Her hair is frizzy and matted. They definitely need a spa day, and once I get them all cleaned up and fix their hair, I'll restyle them with two vintage outfits that I bought on eBay. Now, I've been sitting on these for a while, and my Midge with the earrings will be literally glowing in her original glow-in-the-dark jacket and overskirt, and my other Midge will be getting a 1978 Best Buy disco jumpsuit in a matching color scheme. So stay tuned as these two twinning dolls get two winning looks in my Double Trouble makeover. Let's do this! Hello darlings! Before I get right into this makeover, I want to remove this doll's earrings first, so I stick her in a plastic bag and submerge her head in boiled water for a couple of minutes. Now with her head softened, I try to remove her earrings. This one doesn't want to budge, so I flip her over and try the other side. This one takes a bit of effort but comes out on the first try. Eventually I get them both out. So, apparently I've been cleaning my dolls all wrong. I've taken a cue from watching other doll tutorials and noting that many collectors do not submerge their dolls in water. They wet them, then clean them, and then rinse them without submerging. The reason being that water can collect deep inside the doll and not properly dry. This potentially causes mold or mildew to form, and I think it can possibly cause discoloration in the plastic, but whatever, it sounds gross. I'm scrubbing them down with a little baking soda and dish soap. I wash their hair. Some more scrubbing. I told you this doll's legs were dirty. Now comes the conditioner and comb out. I repeat the process for both dolls. Time for a boil rinse. And my first Midge is getting a bad girl perm. I'm using the largest perm rods I have because I just want her to have large loose curls at the ends. With all the curlers in, it's time for one more boil rinse. Now it's time to remove the curlers and a comb out. We're back, and both of my Midge's hair has turned out beautifully. Let's take a closer look. For my thrifted Midge, I decided to give her pin straight hair with bangs, or fringe if you're in the UK. I couldn't bring myself to cut her bangs shorter, so I curled them under to get the same effect. I think she looks so sweet. It definitely suits her. For my first Midge, I got those big loose curls that I was looking for. As you can see, very nice. It adds volume and texture. I curled her bangs under too, but kept them swept to the side. Love those curls. These dolls cleaned up so nicely, they look brand new. Alright, now time to open up these packages and reveal their outfits. I'm so excited. I've been holding on to these for almost a year, so I can't wait to see what they look like. Ooh, here is Midge's original jacket and overskirt. Now this is the jacket. It even has her name on it. How cool. And here is the skirt. Now, it's in this orange material with this blue print. It looks very much like acid wash denim from back in the day. It also has some other little shapes on it in glittery red and gold and that glow-in-the-dark paint and a little blue jewel. How cool! And in the second package is a long vintage 1970s Barbie dress. It's white with this really pretty heart-shaped pattern in blue, and there's some white lace at the top. Not my usual style, but I do have a doll in mind for a future makeover. Here's what I was after, this orange and blue disco jumpsuit from 1978, a Barbie Best Buy fashion. Here's the shoes that came with this package. And now for my first restyle, Midge is obviously going to be getting this orange jumpsuit. I'm also going to give her a pair of star earrings that I made with these silver charms and blue beads. These chunky blue wedge shoes. Okay, Midge, let's go disco! And boom, there she is. Wow. She looks so awesome in this orange jumpsuit. I love the way her hair turned out, and those earrings look so cute with this look. Now, the elastic is shot in this jumpsuit, so I had to tape it to her boobs, but it works. Now, fun fact, this doll was actually branded as Disco Midge in Europe, so that's what inspired this disco look. Let's do a 360. Oh, she looks so pretty, definitely disco ready. And now for my other Midge, she's going to be getting an orange blouse that I'm borrowing from my Outrageous 80s makeover. I'm also borrowing these orange leggings from my Barbie and the Rockers DD. Here's her original overskirt again, and her jacket. She's got to have some blue pumps. And let's not forget her original glow-in-the-dark earrings. Okay, Midge. Time to glow up, and boom, there she is. Wow, she looks totally tubular. Oh my goodness, I wasn't sure what I was gonna think of this color combination, but I actually really like it. She's definitely bringing back the 80s with this look. Oh my goodness, love it. I can't wait to see what she looks like in the dark. Like, is this going to glow or what? Well, there you have it, my two orange and blue looks for this video. Tell me, what do you think of these looks in the comments down below? Did you have a favorite? Give this video a like. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you to everyone who has subscribed. And until next time, bye for now.